We're very honored to receive this award and recognition from the Chamber. It means a lot, not only for the legal project, but it really reflects on the entire collaboration and all of the community's response, particularly to this very urgent situation. The legal project and Albany Law School have been working together really for the 23 years that the legal project has been in existence in many of our programs. And our immigration work, we've really deeply started working with the law school about 7 years ago when Professor Rogerson came.
From the moment that I joined the faculty at Albany Law School, one of the very first things that I did was sit down with Lisa Frisch and talk about the unmet needs in our immigrant community. She brought me in around the table with various stakeholders, including law enforcement, healthcare providers, mental health services, all of the things that the Legal Project had been doing for years, and brought us to the table.
The primary reason why the Legal Project exists in this community is to really fill a void, and that's to help people who are low income, working poor. Many of them work 2 or 3 jobs just to make ends meet, and they have a legal issue that comes up. They may not even identify it as a legal problem, and if they don't address it because they can't afford it, they can end up spiraling down into a major life crisis. We would never be able to serve the number of people that we serve without the volunteers. We absolutely count on them for this.
We have people that we've worked with in the nonprofit sector, in the business sector, in public safety, and in government. And so people know us as the place to refer people to if they need legal services in any of these areas.
We have approximately 300 volunteer attorneys that we work with. And that was really how we started out as a pro bono program, primarily with a very small staff. Now we have a larger staff, but we also rely on volunteers from the community, both attorneys and non-attorneys, to assist us in providing our services. This past year, we've served 5,000 people in the Capital Region, which was an increase of 1,000 people from the previous year. So there's really been a jump of people needing civil legal services in this community.
The Community Development Clinic last year served over 60 different small businesses and nonprofit organizations through 18 students. And so we have a way of maximizing student potential and meeting the community need through that with our partners. The very beginning of our clinical program was rooted in a response to the needs of the community that we saw and that the community asked us for. And the state legislature has been supportive of our clinic and justice center as well as we develop those initiatives. So it's really a symbiotic relationship between the community, our partners, and the law school.
It's very important, I think, for people to understand that we're not there to duplicate services or replicate what others are doing. We're there to fill that gap so people don't fall between those cracks and into the abyss. It means a great deal to us that that is recognized, not just for us, but for the law school and for everyone who's been involved in this particular project, which is something that in the 15 years I've been at the Legal Project does stand out for me as an amazing thing that we were able to do. Again, not alone, but together with everyone.